If you love espresso drinks but hate the time it takes to dial everything in, a super automatic machine can change your whole routine. Press a button, get a consistent drink, and get on with your day. In this video, we're counting down the top 7 super automatic espresso machines that deliver great coffee with minimal effort. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Yuhomi. When your mornings are chaotic, the last thing you want is a grinder that clogs, spills, or turns your counter into a coffee sandstorm. This option is for people who want fewer headaches and more reliable daily drinks. Yuhomi leans into a smoother workflow by focusing on keeping grounds moving and reducing the kind of jam issues that can happen with oily beans. That means you spend less time troubleshooting and more time actually enjoying coffee. It also aims for bold flavor and a more consistent espresso-style result, with strong extraction pressure that helps pull out aroma and create a thicker crema. In real life, that translates into shots that taste less watery and feel closer to what you would expect from a cafe. If you like milk drinks, the steam capability is there so you can build silky foam for lattes and cappuccinos. The bigger win is that it lets you practice cafe-style texture without needing a separate setup. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Philips 5500. If you want variety without turning coffee into a hobby, this machine is built for you. It is the kind of choice that fits households where different people want different drinks, quickly, with minimal cleanup. Philips 5500 offers a large menu of one-touch options, so you can go from espresso to milk drinks to iced style choices without doing a bunch of steps. The bigger benefit is consistency. You get repeatable results with a few simple adjustments to strength, volume, and milk. The Latte milk system is a standout for everyday life because it is designed to be quick to rinse and easy to keep clean. That matters because milk systems that are annoying to clean are the ones people stop using, and then you are back to plain coffee. It is also designed to brew with less noise than many bean-to-cup machines, which is great if you are the first one awake and you do not want your grinder to announce it. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Urintel's 5120. When you want milk drinks on demand but do not want to learn steaming technique, an automatic milk system can be the difference between using your machine daily and using it only on weekends. This option is for people who want cafe-style drinks with one-touch simplicity. Urintel's 5120 uses a touchscreen workflow that makes it easy to choose drinks fast, and it focuses heavily on hands-free milk frothing. That means lattes and cappuccinos become routine, not a special occasion. It also uses separate heating for coffee and milk froth, which is a practical benefit because it helps keep each part of the drink closer to the texture you want. In everyday terms, your espresso tastes more focused, and your foam feels more like foam instead of big bubbles that collapse instantly. The removable water tank and milk reservoir are also designed for real kitchens, where you want easy filling, easy cleaning, and fewer awkward spills. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Breville Barista Touch. If you want the convenience of a guided screen and fast heat up, but still want to feel like you are making real espresso, this is the choice that blends both worlds. It is for people who enjoy a little control without the full learning curve. Breville's Barista Touch uses a touchscreen that helps you pick drinks, adjust settings, and get consistent results without memorizing a complicated process. The integrated grinder makes it a true beans-to-cup experience, which improves freshness and flavor without needing extra gear on the counter. The automatic milk texturing is the big lifestyle upgrade. You can choose temperature and texture, then let it do the work, which is perfect when you want latte-quality foam but do not want to practice steaming every morning. Fast heat up also matters more than people admit. When you can go from "I need coffee" to "it is happening quickly," you use the machine more often. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. DeLonghi Dinamica. This is the kind of machine that makes you stop buying coffee out. It is built for people who want variety, but also want their favorites to be effortless. DeLonghi's Dinamica Plus gives you a wide selection of espresso-based drinks, including popular cafe staples and international styles. The benefit is not just variety, It is the fact that you can explore drinks you would not normally order and still get them consistently at home. The latte crema milk system is designed to create creamy foam and lets you adjust texture, which is great if one person likes denser foam and another wants something lighter. The touchscreen makes the whole experience less intimidating, and user profiles are a real quality of life upgrade. Once your favorites are saved, it becomes a quick, repeatable routine, even in a busy household. Cleanup is also made easier with removable dishwasher-safe parts, which helps you actually keep using the milk system instead of avoiding it. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Urintel's 5420. If you care about dialing in results but still want automation, this option hits a sweet spot. It is for people who like seeing what is happening, making small tweaks, and getting a more tuned drink without turning it into a full barista project. Urintel's 5420 includes an extraction time and temperature display, which is surprisingly useful for learning what tastes best to you. Instead of guessing, you can connect a better-tasting cup to the settings you used. Milk frothing is adjustable, so you can go from fine microfoam to airier foam depending on whether you want a latte feel, a cappuccino vibe, or even just foamed milk for things like matcha. The dual heating approach supports a smoother workflow and helps keep espresso and milk textures closer to what you want in the cup. And the cleaning mode for the milk reservoir is a huge daily benefit because milk maintenance is where many machines become annoying. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. DeLonghi Revelia. This super automatic espresso machine is built for people who love variety, want easy personalization, and do not want to waste beans while experimenting. DeLonghi's Rivalia gives you a wide range of one-touch recipes, so you can go from espresso to milk drinks to ice-style options without extra steps. The bigger win is personalization. You can adjust intensity, drink size, and even add an extra shot when you need a stronger morning. The standout feature is the bean switch system with 2 removable hoppers. In real life, this is amazing. You can keep a bold, caffeinated roast for mornings and swap to decaf later, or rotate flavors without emptying and refilling the same hopper every time. The automatic milk frother makes lattes and cappuccinos feel effortless, and the auto-clean function helps you actually use it daily. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best super automatic espresso machine sets you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.